Hi, this is Mark Gupp with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing in Cape Elizabeth at 387 Mitchell Road. It is a really sweet place. They just bought it a couple years, made some really nice improvements, and are making a life change. So let's go in and take a look. So as I come into the house, you got this nice entryway with hardwood floors, brings me into the living room space. And what I like about this space is it has a lot of flexibility to it. You've got your seating area here for the living room. You also have a little dining area here, or you could make this entire piece a living room space. And as we circle around, they're using this as an office, could be a dining room. And we will, why don't we head into the primary bedroom first. It's a wonderful, well-lit space. Got great natural light. You have a 3/4 bath in here. And you'll see the bedroom has a nice skylight, a heat pump that's new, its own private entrance, and one of my favorite parts about this space is the view out the backyard. A really nice sense of privacy. And there's a little storage loft area above. And let's head into the kitchen, which is, here's your dining space. And then this kitchen has been updated. Great spot here. Nice hardwood floors, new cabinetry, great pendant lighting. Someone could use this as an eat-in kitchen, or I like how these guys have it as a nice, comfortable hangout space with a couch and chair. And that leads off to the back deck, but we'll go to the deck afterwards. Also, you've got another heat pump in here that's been added. And I forgot to mention, in the living room, there's a third heat pump in there. So that's quite nice. So 3 really nice heat pumps downstairs. And why don't we head to the second floor? And at the top of the stairs, we've got this really sweet nursery here. A nice skylight, built-in shelving here. This could be an office. It could, it works great as a bedroom. Good sized bathroom, full bath in here. Nice tubs around. And you can tell these guys take really good care of their house. They're ideal. So, and you have the good sized bedroom here. Again, nice heat pump up here as well. And a good view of the backyard. In fact, as we're talking about the backyard, let's go check it out. As I walk out the kitchen, I've got this nice, good-sized deck here that overlooks a little horse pasture here. I think they have 1 or 2 horses next door, and they're just really sweet to watch. And then you've got this good-sized backyard with some space for a picnic bench, a couple raised beds. We didn't go into the basement. However, you do have a bulkhead there. There's also a stair to get to the basement right off the kitchen. And you have a 1-car garage small car. These guys use it mostly for storage. So, but this is great. Love it. And if you are looking for a really sweet house, give me a call. Mark up. My phone number is 207-232-6127. I'm the listing agent for this property and would love to help you find your place. Thanks for watching.